Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well. The wedding season is going on. This season we get invitations for events. Everyone wants to look a little special in the invitation. So today I have come up with a unique design. Let's begin. I took a cotton one color cloth, added fuse paper in advance. The cloth is 70 inches long and 4 inches. One-inch gap on the side to make a pintux. Look exactly like this. Try to make the pintux a little wider. I am making this panel to attach to the neck. The panel with the pintux is finished. If you want, you can attach piping on this side or add some gold color lace. I am using white color lace. I make straight the lace. We cut another strip inch wide. On it we will add the fabric triangle. We will press the triangle fold so that the triangle fold does not open. We will maintain a beautiful frill and stretch the fabric triangle fold. We will attach it on both sides in the same way. Now we have to turn this triangle fold outward. Then we will press it. Now we have to place the small pattern on top of our big pattern and stitch it. The stitching is finished. Now we have to open this triangle just like a flower pattern. Just like this. Now I bring the heads of the two petals in the middle and add a pearl in the middle. Now I will put this pattern on the shirt and sew it. I will sew it with 2 or 2.5 inches of bed from the top because I will attach the neck to that part. I have already prepared the neck and added fuse paper. That neck design is ready. Tell me how it is. Do not forget to like and comment to get more beautiful design like this. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.